What is the cheapest way to heat a swimming pool? I have to start this video this way. Do you know what the number one thing you need to do is? You need to put a roof on the house. Right now we're talking about cheap economy heating of a giant open body of water. It has no roof on the house. It's like trying to heat your home in the winter when you have no roof. It would be impossible. The heat's just going to readily escape into the environment, right? Yeah, it's exactly what's going to happen. So the first thing you need to do, if you want to talk about cheap pool heat, you have to cover the pool. There's no other way that you can get around this. Whether it's with an actual cover, like a solar blanket that you put on the pool every night, or even there's a chemical version of this liquid solar blanket product, which I would prefer to see an actual solar blanket, but it's certainly better than not covering the pool at all, because you're going to lose a ton. Just most of the heat that you add to the pool every day, you're going to lose through evaporation of the pool surface. That's just how it works. And if you don't limit that mechanically or otherwise, you're just paying for heat that's escaping readily into the environment. And no matter what kind of heat you're adding to the pool, it's just escaping readily. So wouldn't it be better to design an efficient system where whatever heat we're managing to add to this water, we keep as much of it as possible? Covering your pool with a solar blanket can reduce your heat losses, your thermal losses in your swimming pool by up to 95%. That's a great number. You should get a solar blanket and put it on your swimming pool every night. So let's move on to heaters. There are solar heaters. There's gas, like propane or natural gas heaters. And there's electric heat pumps. There's even technically electric element style heaters that you might have with like an electric kettle. So there's a kind of like a range of different heaters, and the best one's going to come down to your expectations of heat. That's what it always comes down to, is your expectations of heat, because depending on where you are and the kind of pool you have is going to determine the amount of heat that you need, the speed in which you need the heat, the current ambient temperatures around your swimming pool when you're trying to apply the heat to the swimming pool. All of that is going to matter when you're choosing the best heater for your swimming pool application. But if we're talking cheap heat, we have to give the nod to solar heating. Solar heating has always been the cheapest way to heat your swimming pool water. The sun's there already heating everything up. If you could just buy some solar grids that you could put on an exposed area of like roof that gets like a lot of sunshine, that would be perfect. You could get a substantial amount of free heat for your swimming pool at the low cost of just a little bit more work for your swimming pool pump. Aside from that, this is and has always been the best way to get cheap or free heat for your swimming pool. You can go so far as to making and designing your own solar heaters. It doesn't even have to be a commercially bought product. You could use black piping and just make a grid work of it and pump some pool water through that, and bada bing, you're getting free heat from the sun. When the sun's shining and you're running the water through those pipes, you're actually going to substantially warm the water of your pool. Depending on the size of your swimming pool and the amount of direct sunshine and the amount of hours these systems run, all of this matters. The amount of square footage of the solar collector area versus the square footage of your pool. It's all going to factor into, and again, your expectations of heat. Are you just trying to get a couple more degrees of heat? A solar heater is for you. If you have like a fairly advanced swimming pool with certain expectations of heat, probably you're going to need to pay for some sort of heater, whether a natural gas or propane, an electric heat pump, an electric element style heater. Probably one of these is what you need if you have, a fancier swimming pool. But if you have the most basic swimming pool, you just want it to be a little warmer, for sure what you need to do is look into building or buying a solar heater for your swimming pool, and then covering your swimming pool with a solar blanket every night. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.